How to test the internet speed on mobile phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can test the internet speed on your mobile device. To test the internet speed on mobile device, there are several websites such as speedtest, fast.com, or you can also use google.com in order to test your speed. In today's video, I'm going to show you two different websites from where you'll be able to test your internet speed on mobile. First of all, open your Chrome browser on your device and here in the search bar type speedtest.net. Now press the go button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Speedtest. Here you need to tap on this continue on the web option right here and now tap on this go button to start the speed test. Now you will need to wait for it to measure your download speed, upload speed and ping. Wait for the test to finish and it will display all your results. After that, you will be able to see your internet speed on your mobile device. The next website is fast.com. Tap on the search bar on this page and there type in fast.com. Now press the enter button to search for it. The website will automatically test your download speed, upload speed and ping. After a few seconds, the results will show your internet speed. Tap on this show more info in order to view more information about your internet speed. So in this way you can test your internet speed on mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.